In this Live and Learn RV special report, Smokey uses hand tools. There may be bloodshed. Stay tuned. Well, we're still on COVID clampdown, so in an effort to stay occupied and keep doing things with this wonderful machine until we can get it back out in the world, today we are going to do one of the easiest RV upgrades you could ever hope to do, which by the only kind I can do. We're going to change out the stock shower head and replace it with an Oxygenics Fury shower head. Easy one tool process, which we'll start right now. Taking out the old one's fairly easy. Well, old one, the existing one, the stock one. Bring him down, and it's just 2 screws. Oop, so much for that idea. And we're going to hang on to these screws because the replacement screws that came with it are a little bit longer than I'm comfortable with, so we're going to reuse those. And then he just comes off of your water supply. If I can get a grip on it. There we go. And out he comes. Out of the guiding bracket. Now, we take the higher quality Oxygenics material these tapes are in place to hold the washers in, and we sure don't want to lose those because you certainly do want to keep the rubber washers in place to prevent leaking when you've got water flow going to it. Now hopefully you won't have to do this step, but this bracket is actually partially obstructed by this fake molding here, so I'm going to have to actually detach this to bring it out a little bit to fit the hose through it again, like so. And then I'll have to tighten it back down. Like that. And then tighten it back in place. You'll notice the holes from the stock mount are not going to match the replacement mount, which you see in this particular model, you just remove this right here and there's your second hole, but these holes are not going to match. So I'm going to have to get a dab of silicone and close one of the 2 holes, in this case the upper one, and actually tap a new hole for this to fit. Now it comes with adhesive tape. I'm not going to try that. I've read and seen too many other folks using this hardware that say that the tape either doesn't work or when it does work, doesn't work well enough. And I'd just rather do it permanent and be done with it and not have to worry about it anymore. So I need our silicone. There we go. So we don't run too much. Okay, I think that's good. Now, as I was saying, the screws that come with this hardware are a good bit longer than what came in the stock, and I'm just not comfortable going that deep into the walls and not knowing what I'm hitting, so I'm going to stick with what the factory used. But we'll do that bottom one first in the existing hole. hopefully that material is soft enough that it'll just bite right through. And take him on through the material. And I don't want to go too tight because I don't want to strip the screws, of course. But I don't think that's going anywhere. And then we take the mount itself and put it back in place. And that snugs according to whatever angle you'd like to have it. And then and again, making sure your gaskets are still in there. Let's see if he'll fit. Oh yeah. Proper clearance. All right, let's try them out. Let's see what all kind of... Well, apparently we don't have terrific water pressure here. That's your... There we go. Okay, now live and learn. Down is off. Up is on. And we have several different spray patterns. All right. Let's check out the spray angle from up here. Well, we know to keep the shower door shut. And that's it. The Oxygenics Fury RV showerhead. An easy 5 to 10 minute, well, 15 to 20 minute in my case. But if you're normal, 5 to 10 minute upgrade. A worthy mod to make. Hope you found this informative. Hope you found it helpful. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below. Subscribe, why don't you? Hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything that we do. And hopefully, before too much longer, we won't have to do things just like this. We'll be able to get out in the world and do some more real living and learning.